Okay, for next question, that is question number 15. It's given that the position vectors of points P and Q are P vector and Q vector, and there is a point R that divides a line segment PQ in the ratio 3 is to 1. So let's get our 3D space here. So this is the three perpendicular coordinate axes, X, Y, and Z. And okay, so this is X, Y, and Z. Now, there is a point P. Let's say this is a point P and this is a point Q. And their position vectors with respect to the origin are given. So their position vectors with respect to the origin are given. I'm going to join them as well. So their position vector of P with respect to O is P vector, and position vector of Q with respect to O is Q vector. Now there is a point S. There is a point S on PQ which divides the line segment in the ratio 3 is to 1. Okay, now for a now the position vector of S will be OS. So this is the position vector of the point S, which is OS. Now it's given by M, a formula is M into B vector plus N into A vector upon M plus N, where M and N is the ratio. So M is to N is equal to 3 is to 1. So let's put in the respective values. Instead of B vector, we have P vector. So this is 3 into P vector, and N is 1 into Q vector divided by M plus N is 4. 3 plus N 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is 3p, and actually this should be b. So this is our a vector and this is our b vector. So let me just change the values. So this is m is 3 into b is q vector plus 1, n is 1 into a, which is p vector. So this is 3q plus p, and 3 plus 1 is 4. This is the position vector of OS. 3q plus p divided by 4. 3 into q vector plus p vector divided by 4. Now, there is a point S. Now, this was actually point R. Sorry, this is actually point R. So this position vector is 1. Now, S is the midpoint of line segment joining PR. So there is a point S, which is the midpoint of PR. So the position vector of S, we have to find out the position vector of S. This was the position vector of. So S is the midpoint of PR. So the position vector of OS is equal to, it will be A vector plus P vector. That is A vector plus B vector divided by 2. Now A and B vectors are, A is the position vector of P, which is P vector, and B vector here is the position vector of R. So position vector of R is this. So this is 3q plus P vector divided by 4, the whole divided by 2. And if we take, this is now 4p plus 3q vector plus P vector upon 8. So this is the position vector of the midpoint S of PR. So this is 4p plus P is 5p vector plus 3q vector divided by 8. So 5p plus 3q divided by 8 is the option D. So D is the correct option for this one.